I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying where the Hotspot logo appears and in which app it's generated. Once done, pick a path. Disable the overlay in your screen recorder if that option exists, or plan to remove it in post-production. Make sure to back up the original file and install an editor with clone/patch and crop tools. Doing this saves you time and prevents data loss, so you can experiment without risking the original footage. If your recorder has a watermark toggle, switch it off and re-record. This is the cleanest fix. Otherwise, open a duplicate file in your editor. Crop if composition allows, or apply a targeted blur or clone stamp to the logo area. Work in layers and use feathered brushes to blend pixels so the fix remains invisible. Save incremental versions as you go so you can step back if an edit introduces artifacts or misalignment. Export the cleaned file at the same resolution and codec as the source to avoid quality loss. Then compare frames around the removed logo to confirm no shifting or visible seams. If you still see the Hotspot logo in subsequent recordings, update or switch your recording app, or check device settings for system-level overlays. One key troubleshooting tip: if the logo is rendered by the OS and can't be disabled, try a third-party.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.